teaching more about heat transfer, more about the good and poor conductors of heat transfer. For good conductors, it will be iron, and for poor, it will be paper.
Oh gosh, I can't believe we are learning about heat transfer when the weather is really so warm.
That's right. I hope the scientists nowadays can do something about this heat.
Scientists invent? In science lesson, we have learned about the different conductors and insulators of heat. To be a famous scientist, I already have an idea on how to reduce indoor temperature. My brilliant idea is to use tinted glass to reduce indoor temperature. As heat enters through the window, thus it increases indoor temperature. Now I'll conduct an experiment to find out if tinted glass reduces indoor temperature. Conditioned rooms in school as they have many windows. The final approach is based on samples of materials that we could get from a contractor. Our working principle. Tinted glass refers to any glass that has been treated with a material such as film or coating. Tinted glass can reduce the amount of light being transmitted through it. Tinted glass can also reduce the indoor temperature of a room by reducing the heat gain inside the room through limiting the amount of radiation through it. Our key questions. We were keen to find out if indoor temperature would be lowered if shading on the glass is done. The main focus of the project is the conservation of energy through reduction in electrical usage. Figure 1 shows the schematic setup for the investigation. This is the normal glass, and this is the tinted glass. Both of them are 2 layers. Firstly, we set up the apparatus, and then we place the normal glass as the window material onto the box, and then we turn on the lamp. Record the reading at the end of 10 minutes. Repeat the experiment using a tinted glass and a piece of paper. It shows the temperature reading for different material as the window. For normal glass, it's 35 degrees Celsius. For tinted glass, it's 34 degrees Celsius. And for paper, it's 37 degrees Celsius. From the table 1, the indoor temperature is the lowest when tinted glass is used, followed by the normal glass and the paper. A comparison between the normal and tinted glass shows that the indoor temperature is lower for the latter case. Shadings are provided by the tinted glass as the amount of radiation that enters the box is lower. So, using tinted glass to make windows can reduce the amount of electricity used and solve the problems of my friend in the class. Wow, how smart am I to produce this idea? Thank you.
Class, any more questions? Okay, that will be all for today.
Shafiq, you mean?
It's